Good morning. Today we eat puree of beans with some gambers. It's a typical dish of ragusa. We need some dried beans. We will soften them, soaking them from the night previous. When they are tender, we can put them into the pot with some celery, carrot and onion. Once beans are cooked, we can whip everything. In the meantime, we clean the red gamber. We put them inside a bowl. The gamber is crude. When the cream of beans is ready, we put it inside this container, and we will cook the crude gamber inside the cream of beans. We add in the end some oil. The dish is ready.
Si finisce con un po' d'olio extravergine d'oliva sopra, il piatto è pronto. Il piatto è pronto, buon appetito.